Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add social links to your account on the Twitch website, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the website on your device and tap on this profile icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Then tap on channel, which is the first option here. Scroll down and tap on customize channel on the right side. Here click on channel in this left side column of the screen, then tap on about at the top. Scroll down to the bottom where you can find the social links section. Here you can type in the link title, and then the link URL should be copied into this second box, and when you are done, tap on the add button that you can find in the right side corner of this section after the fields are filled in. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.